Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today's Monday, August 12, 2024. As we normally do on Mondays, we'll cover the upcoming week in terms of economic releases and important data points that the market will be focused on. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, is PPI, Producer Price Index, the inflation number at the production level for manufacturing. Wednesday, CPI, Consumer Price Index. Probably the most important release this week because it's a gauge of inflation at the consumer's level, which the Fed will be looking at, and everyone else will be looking at too, for signs of inflation possibly slowing, declining, or even rising, and it all impacts the September decision, the first week of September from the Fed, which is expectations are for some sort of cut, 25 basis points, perhaps 50 basis points. Later in the week, let's see, we've got retail sales on Thursday. That's kind of important in terms of giving a gauge of the optimism amongst consumers on purchasing products. Philly Fed Index, which is a gauge of manufacturing and business levels in Pennsylvania, Southeast Pennsylvania, in that area. Housing starts on Friday. Three Fed speakers this week as well. So, everyone's trying to get away for vacation before Labor Day, and but there's so much going on in the markets, and uh, I think it's an important week. We had the big drop at the beginning of last week, a rally back, but I think there's a lot of damage done, and I still think there's a lot of risk to the market. Even if there's a Fed cut in September, there looks to be some declining indicators in the job market and in credit markets and like that. So I think it's kind of a risky time. We'll see how the markets react this week. I'll be back on Wednesday with some reports then. Good luck out there. Thank you. Goodbye.